Someone did a really crummy thing in northeast Albuquerque. A $5,000 reward is up for grabs now for anyone who can lead investigators to whoever shot a cat named Buddy. These are pictures of Buddy. He's a 16-month-old white cat that lives in the 4000 block of Stephanie Drive, just east of El Dorado High School in Albuquerque. Wednesday afternoon, Buddy was huddled in a patio corner lethargic. When his guardian picked up the cat, he found blood. An x-ray showed Buddy had been shot with a soft lead pellet, typically used with an air rifle. Animal Protection of New Mexico is offering a $5,000 reward now for information that leads to an arrest and conviction. If you know anything, call 877-5-HUMANE. Buddy is expected to survive.